My office is today publishing a report detailing the horrific reality that has unfolded for the people of Israel and Gaza since 7 October 2023. I have repeatedly warned about the risk of atrocity crimes being committed. Justice must be served for these grave violations of international law. The rules of war, in force now for 160 years, were designed to limit and prevent human suffering in times of armed conflict. It seems inconceivable that the parties to the conflict refuse to apply universally accepted and binding norms developed to preserve the very bare minimum of humanity. The report raises concerns about the actions of the Israeli Defense Forces with respect to forcible transfer, attacks on hospitals in apparent systematic fashion, and journalists. It also points to the reported use of white phosphorus munitions. The International Court of Justice, in its series of orders on provisional measures, underscored the international obligations of Israel to prevent, protect against, and punish acts of genocide and associated prohibited conduct. It is essential that there is due reckoning with respect to the allegations of serious violations of international law through credible and impartial judicial bodies, and that in the meantime all relevant information and evidence are collected and preserved. States have an obligation to act to prevent atrocity crimes, and I urge them to support the work of accountability mechanisms, including the International Criminal Court, to exercise universal jurisdiction to investigate and try crimes under international law in national courts, and to comply with extradition requests. The violence must stop immediately. The hostages and those arbitrarily detained must be released, and we must focus on flooding Gaza with humanitarian aid.